Hi dear friend, thank you for joining me. This is Esther Daniel and today we'll be talking about a moisture routine, a simple moisture routine that you can follow when you're moisturizing your hair, especially dreadlocks, throughout the week or at least once a week. This is a routine that I've been using over and over and I have seen it bring out good results because my hair used to be weak. But when I started using this routine, everything else changed. The edges became much stronger and my hair, my scalp became more and more healthy. So I'll be using fluffy shea butter. This is the fluffy shea butter that we made from the previous video. In case you haven't watched that, I'll put a link for you to watch. So we will be having this as the sealant. This is the one that we'll use at the end for the sealant. We will be using rose water and coconut oil. Coconut oil is basically the oil that I use for my hair, my scalp, my skin, because it's coconut oil. It has a lot of benefits for your skin, scalp and health. In case you would like to buy any of these products, please contact Alabrastra Organics, especially if you're in Kenya, because they will hook you up with the nicest. That's where I buy my natural products all the time. Without further ado, let's reveal what's behind this towel and get to it. And by the way, I changed my YouTube channel's name from #dearfriend to Drumrolls please. Dear Naturalista. I realized that I've been sharing more videos on natural products and how you can use them or incorporate them with your beauty routine and health routine to maintain more healthy and definitely beautiful lifestyle. So let's get into it, guys. In this video, you'll see me follow 3 steps to moisturize my hair. Number 1, I'll be using rose water. Rose water is a hydrosol, meaning it has water, meaning it is the #1 moisturizing agent, since water is the #1 moisturizing agent in the world. So you have to use rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use aloe juice. Aloe juice is also efficient when it comes to moisturizing because it has water. Number 2, I'll be using coconut oil. You can use any organic oil. It doesn't matter whether it is coconut or grapeseed oil or whatever oil you have, you can use that oil. I prefer coconut oil because to me it's lighter for my scalp, it's lighter for my hair, and since I'll be going in with shea butter, which is a little bit heavy, I prefer this because it's lighter. It also has moisturizing agents and it has sealant. Oils basically act as sealants, water sealants, so it is good for sealing, it's good for moisturizing, it's good for other benefits. You can look that up. Also, I'll be going in with this shea butter as the last step. This is the shea butter that I showed you how to make. You can check the links down below for that video. And this is going to be helpful because it not only seals, it is a powerful sealant, it's a powerful moisturizer, it is a powerful conditioner. So this is a conditioner, it's shea butter, fluffy shea butter conditioner. It's going to help my hair in those 3 ways. It's going to seal, it's going to moisturize, it's going to condition my hair. So you can definitely be going for this when you want to use a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner that is going to help your hair. So this is what we do. I'll take a small portion of my hair like this. I'll take a portion of my hair like this. I'll go in first with the rose water. Step number 2, I'll go in with the coconut oil. Just a little, you scoop just a little, you apply to your hand, rub it in between your hands, apply to that small portion like that. Then you go in with the shea butter, the fluffy shea butter conditioner. Just a small portion goes a long way. You just take that into your hands, rub, and then apply to your hair like that. From the roots going downwards to the length. You see me do that to the rest of my hair. Stick around as I do it, and I hope this goes a long way to help you with your moisture journey.
No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrassing no more. I'll take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head.
that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Please remember to subscribe in case you haven't. Turn on notifications. That's the bell down here. Please click it. Share with your friends. Like, comment, tell me what you would like to see more. And God bless you, keep you, and stay safe. Bye bye.